Ever walked into a store to buy milk and walked out with everything, but without milk? Retailers feel that pain too, but at the scale of millions of dollars in lost revenue, mismanaged stock, and delayed logistics. Walmart and other retail leaders are advanced, but still face gaps in forecasting, inventory flow, and real-time visibility. That's why we built IntelliStock AI, a smart, connected system that reimagines supply chains by combining artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, and just a little bit of magic. We are Team Arise, Ayush, Dev, and Part, and we believe that smart logistics aren't just a future, they are now. IntelliStock AI has 6 tightly integrated modules: smart stock placement, real-time inventory sync, AI demand prediction, expiry-based discounts, navigation assistant, dynamic fulfillment mesh. Each one tackles a core challenge in today's supply chain. But when combined, they transform operations end to end. AI-powered stock placement. A product arrives, it's scanned using a barcode and analyzed with OpenCV and K-means clustering. Our system recommends where it should be placed based on how often it's picked, how big it is, and when it expires. Yep, the cereal doesn't go next to bleach anymore. Second, real-time inventory updates. Once that product is sold, stock levels update instantly in Firebase. A low stock alert is triggered via cloud functions. No more oops, we forgot to restock. Third, event-aware demand forecasting. With upcoming events like Diwali or sudden weather shifts, our model forecasts demand changes using Facebook Prophets and XG Boots with inputs from calendar and weather APIs. Because what's festival without enough snacks? Fourth, expiry-based dynamic discounts. Near expiry? No worries. IntelliStock applies smart markdowns. 20% with 3 days left, 50% with 1 day left. We save money and dignity. No more throwing out yogurt like it's confetti. Fifth, navigation and retrieval system. Where is the detergent? Our system shows the shortest route using a path finding and map box for humans or robots. Basically Google Maps, but it only cares about shampoo. Sixth, dynamic fulfillment network. Let's say one store runs low on detergent, another has surplus. Our Google OR2's optimization engine finds the best transfer route, balancing cost, traffic, and delivery time. With IntelliStock AI, Walmart and other retailers can reduce inventory waste by 40%, improve forecasting accuracy by 30%, cut last mile delivery cost up to 20%. It's scalable, it's modular, and it's built for the future of retail. We are Team Arise, Ayush, Dev, and Part, and thank you for watching. And remember, if your inventory starts going missing, maybe it needs better AI.